Andrew, come here. There's something on your nose. There's something wrong with your nose. Come here. What is that? What happened? Come here.
I want one.
Andrew, come here and let me see what it is on your face. Andrew. Andrew, come here. Hurry. What is it? Is it rug burn? Come here closer so I can see. Oh my gosh, what is it?
It's called.
What?
It's called. It's called Tico.
Okay.
It's not true. That. It's by your big sister's toe
That was a good one, Andrew. Caused by your big sister's toe fungus? It's spreading. Jojo's back.
I just touched it with my foot.
What did he say? It was a disease caused by your big sister's toe fungus?
Yeah,
And what, Andrew?
and
Come here, Andrew.
by the new